Does your Volkswagen VANAGON transporter have a wobbly door handle like this? If yes, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So first of all, you can try, of course, to tighten the screw on the back of the panel up, but most likely it won't fix it. So now, in order to fix it, you will have to remove the sliding door handle by removing the screw behind the door panel. Then you will check it if it wobbles. If it wobbles, you know that you will need a new one. In this case, you can see that it has tons of play. It's due to a crack in the handle, which can't be fixed, unfortunately. Now you will get a new Volkswagen handle, or a used one. It has to be a Volkswagen handle in order to rekey it, so that you have to use only one key for the entire vehicle. You just remove the screw, pull the cylinder out, and of course you have to keep the key in, or all the tumblers will fly out. Then what you will do is check the tumblers. Mine were worn, so you have to replace them. Just check for the numbers on them and put them in the correct order back in. So then grease it up a little. And to check if the tumblers are worn, just put it into the new sliding door handle, and then you will see that they are worn. So now I put it in, you can see that it works pretty good. If it's binding, you will most likely need new tumblers. And now what you will do is just tighten the screw up, and you're pretty much ready to install it back on. So this is what I mean with pre-installing the spring. You have to put it on the one edge on, and then put the other edge to overlap the one in order to have it preloaded. So yeah, now you just put it back in, don't forget the seal, screw it back on, and then you're pretty much ready. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.